Hey guys, this is Shatrughan and you are watching G Tutorials. Guys, today we are discussing about a very important topic, that is how to speak in English. This is a very crucial topic, isn't it? Of course it is. And if you are beginner, then you know much better than me then how much is speaking English important and crucial for everyone. Today's world, everybody want to speak in English. Everyone want to speak in English. But it is not confirmed, then he or she will get success to speak in English. If you are beginner, then you know how much problem you have to face while you are learning in English. While you are trying to speak in English, you will face lot of problems. But if any problem come in your life, then it will also come with the solution. That means every problem contain its solution also. When we try to speak in English to someone, the biggest problem is this, which I learned also and I faced when I was young and when I was beginner and when I was trying to speak in English, when I was trying to learning English, I also face problem, and that is nervousness. When you go to someone and try to speak in English front of him or her, you become nervous. Why? I mean, your nervousness tries to stop you to speak in English. But why? The simple reason is it. You think then in front of that person you are going to speak in English. He or she is better than you in English. And that is the main reason for your nervousness. This is the reality. So the first thing, we have to separate on self from on nervousness. When we try to speak in English to someone, you have to say yourself, I can and I will. The difference between me and that person is very simple. I am starting to learning English and he has learned. There is a little difference between you and him or her. Except no difference. So when you go to front of someone to speak in English, first say to oneself, I can, I am will. And definitely those pressure you are feeling to your own self while you are going to speak in English to someone, it will reduce. The pressure will be reduced, definitely reduced. You will speak in English much better than you thought before that. The second thing, for the beginners, when they go to front of anyone to speak in English, they face is that words not coming. Words are not coming. Sentence is not making. Sir, I am unable to speak in English because my words are not coming. My sentence is not coming in my mind. My mind is become dash. My mind has been become dash. So what will do on that condition? You will not do any kind of thing on that condition. But before facing that condition, you will do lot of things. Practice. Too much practice. You have to adopt English in your daily life as Hindi or as your regional language, which you speak every day in your life, such as Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, etc. etc. These are daily languages which we often speak in our daily life. We have to adopt English like that in our daily life. When we try to speak in English at home, at school, at tuition, at parties, at birthday parties, at market, whatever, then you will improve it. Don't give 1 and 2 hours to English. Give every second to English. If you really want to learn it, if you really want to speak it. 1 and 2 hours are not sufficient for speaking or learning English. You do not speak in Hindi at the home 1 and 2 hours. You speak in Hindi or regional languages at the home 24 hours. But why English? You have chosen only 1 and 2 hours. Why? Why not whole day? Why not 24 hours for English? So that is very important part for you. English is not a bugbear. English is a very simple language, and according to me, English is much better than Hindi. English is much easier than Hindi. Sorry, not better than, easier than. Better तो हिंदी ही है, I think so. Yeah, really. But English is much easier than Hindi. And anybody can speak in English very politely, very normally. If only needs is that we have to adopt it in our daily life as a regular routine, as a regular schedule. Try to speak in English at home. Try to speak your family members, your friends in English. Take the names of utensils in English which you have at your home, and other things such as soap, such as toothpaste, such as shoes, such as slippers, etc. etc. Try to speak in English at home as soon as. जितना जल्द हो सके उतनी जल्दी बोलिए, because time is running. And promise yourself, then one day you will get success in English when you will start. First start survival English. Survival English means Hindi plus English, both languages. And then try to bring perfection in your English grammar. Today's video I'm going to end here. I hope you got that thing which I wanted to send you. Till soon, bye.